on this occasion of this inauguration of the Indian Pavilion, and this is the second time we are into Indian Pavilion, first time on our own, and I would like to really congratulate the Government of India, the DPIT officials and the CII officials for making a unison of the competition between the different states on one platform, and with honorable your ministers from different states, and we have just heard the honorable chief ministers and honorable union ministers on the days. And on behalf of Telangana, we are represented by our chief minister, Mr. Revant Reddy, been joined by our housing and revenue and iron power minister, Mr. Sridhar Babu is here. And in fact, we would like to say a few points to all the future investors to our state of Telangana. And also we would like to literally contribute our might and share our strength to the global leaders as well. Telangana as such is known as an IT, and we are leaders in terms of producing vaccine for the whole global world during the COVID. And the real core sector of the defense and the aerospace has been opened. In Telangana, with all its might, with all the characteristics of the public sector undertakings which have been shaped over the past 70 years, we've been open to the private world, and many investments are coming into the defense and the aerospace sector. And the recent Telangana Rising event of us, led by our Chief Minister, Mr. Revant Reddy, and we have projected to be a part and parcel of our Indian economy, which is projecting about 30 trillion economy by 2047. And the Telangana Rising 2047, we thought of contributing 10%, 30 trillion. And we have projected and we have started a dream of making of Telangana economy a 3 trillion economy. Over the past 2 years of us presenting ourselves in Davos, which provides the platforms for the investment to our state, we could able to really rope in about 2.5 lakh crores over the past 2 years. And this time specifically we are here to project our policies. We are coming up with a global life sciences policy. We are coming up with a global AI policy. And over the past 2 years we have come up with MSME policy, which is supposed to be a niche policy, not only in India, to the global world too. And we have come up with a niche, a tourism policy, which are the key drivers for our state economy. And I wish and hope this time too, the state of Telangana will attract lots of investments. And also we would like to share our expertise to the global world. And we are here to present ourselves the best industrial and IT environment which we are trying to project on the global world. And I thank all the officials from here who are all the time for contributing their mind, their energy to wish you a very, very new year, happy new year, because every new year we start with this. And I thank the friends from media for sharing our ideas to the global world. Thank you.
Thank you.